Hello, Mustang family. I am your sixth grade math teacher, Mrs. Miller. I am so excited to be on this math journey with you this year. I call it a math journey because you are going to go from where you are in your math understanding to the next highest level you can reach during this year with me. I have been on my math teaching journey for 11 years now, but I must say, this year is going to feel like the very first one. I can kind of compare it to taking a trip for the first time. The first time you take a trip someplace new, it's not like you've never left your house before or been any place beside your house before. However, traveling outside your familiar zone takes a lot of planning. And even with the best planning, there will still be things you didn't know you needed to plan for. It can be challenging and oftentimes a little bit scary, but overall it is exciting and fun to be on a travel adventure. That's how I see our upcoming year this year together. I've been teaching a while, but never quite like this before. So lucky for us, I've been doing a lot of planning, and I've never been afraid of a challenge. In fact, I cannot wait. That being said, it's not to say there won't be things that will come up I didn't plan for. I am also ready to be flexible and meet those challenges with problem solving and collaboration between you and your families. I know this year's education will not be the same for any of us like we've had in the past. I know there will be moments when we're going to want to dwell on some of the negative impacts of the world around us. It's really okay to express how you feel, but then we really need to move on and think about more positive things coming out of our circumstances. For instance, I am sad to say that I'm only on this Phi Phi Island in Thailand virtually. You can see me over there on the beach with a nice refreshing punch, and I'm just relaxing on my little beach chair there. I was supposed to visit there this past summer, but I have to stop and think about all of the positive growth I did have this summer. My husband and I were able to remodel some of our bathrooms and replace our carpet and baseboards, something we could not have done if we had traveled over the summer. I also learned many ways to be a more effective teacher. So, when you have a negative thought, it's okay to acknowledge it, but then let's just move on to more positive thoughts. So, right now, I'm going to take a moment to acknowledge. I would be far happier sitting in the same room with you guys right now. However, Canvas is a really cool online platform that we get to use this year. It will allow us all a safe space to share ideas. And it's designed with learning modules so that you will complete them all in order to be ready for 7th grade math. As you complete the tasks, discussions, assignments, and quizzes, we will both be receiving feedback. You will know when you are mastering content if you're able to move ahead in the modules. If you're not quite there yet, I will know I need to do more to support you along your way to get to mastery. I am truly here on your side to further you and your educational goals. But first things first, I need to get to know you as a person and as a learner. So your very first week will include assignments for me to be able to do just that. I also want you to get to know all of your classmates. They will be very helpful in your education as well. So, going forward, I want to make a pledge to each of you and to your families that I will make this year the best I know how and give you a quality 6th grade math experience by being flexible and knowledgeable with the tools that I have been provided. I promise to be patient with you as we go through this year's adventure. You can always navigate through this course with the module buttons below. After watching the introduction, I want you to click on Module 0 to start your math journey. And I think I am going to be waiting for you right here on the beach. See you online.